Hi everybody, happy Monday. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Today we're going to play in the Scorpio palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Beautiful palette. Let's get it out of the unicarton. And this is what it looks like. I already have my foundation on and blush. Okay, so this is what she looks like. Very pretty. So we're going to do some kind of a look. Alright. So there's lots of nice purples, lots of shimmers. You have navy blue, we have greens, like a rusty orange color. It's just absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush. Let's see, what am I going to do? What do I want to do? We've been doing a lot of purple looks. I'm kind of putting them on my, just seeing what looks good. Alright. I don't know. I don't even know where to start. It's so pretty. Alright, so I think I'm going to go in with Diva Lynn. And I'm just barely touching. I want to go up at the top here. Oh, okay. I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. We did. I always love when my family comes over to eat on any occasion, not just Thanksgiving. And I said this was Diva Lynn. It's kind of like a yellowish brown. That's pretty. Alright, let's see. Anyway, it was a lot of fun, a lot of good company, good food. I love that. And it doesn't even have to be a holiday. I just love when people come over. We just hang out and talk, and catch up, and give each other breaks from our other halves. Like the two men can go off and the two women can go hang out. That's always a lot of fun. I think I want to do a green and brown look with this. So I'm going to go into Garden Grove, and I want to go on the inner corner. Yeah. Alright, Garden Grove. This is a little dark. It's kind of a sagey green. It's pretty though. I'm barely touching because you never know with Jeffree's thing. You could just barely touch it, and then it's so dark you can't even work with it. But if it wasn't pigmented, we'd all be bitching. So I'm just doing very little at a time. Really thinking, I wish I had just had the room to set like a table up so everything was always set up to film. And I just don't. I wish I was better at editing and filming, or had a better camera, that I understood how to do, because I'm not very good with cameras. Let me see. All right, I like that so far. All right, so I think in the outer corner, I don't know, do I just want to go with green? No, I said green and brown. So I'm going to go out with Steininger, which I believe is Jeffrey's last name before he changed his name to Star. I'm going to take that all the way over to the green. It's a darker brown. Try to blend this together. One eye always does a little better. It's pretty. What I like about this palette is you could do some really crazy looks. And then you can do some very wearable looks as well. Alright, I'm going to clean that brush up. I'm going to go back into Garden Grove. Alright, now I'm going to take a clean, fluffy brush. I just want to look about even. Yes, okay. Might go into Steininger. A little bit more there. There, I like that. Alright, so we have some choices. We could go in with Privacy, which is that. We could go in with Psychoanalyze, which is this, which is a little darker. Or we could go in with Pluto's Touch, which I'm really digging. It's kind of like, it's really weird. It doesn't show up. It's kind of grayish blue. Nah, we won't go in with that one. Or we could go into, I think Spirit Realm's a purple one. Look how pretty those are. I'm kind of digging this one. Which one did I say that was? Privacy. I think that's the one I'm going to do. So I'm not even going to attempt the brush. I'm just going to do my finger, which I hate to do because it has these little scorpions on it. Looks like a copper penny almost. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Alright, let me get a brush. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Camera's not really doing that justice, but that is really pretty. Alright. So I'm going to pause you. I'm going to go put, I think I'm going to use a brown eyeliner. I don't know yet. Let me see. Hold on. I'm not going to pause you yet. Since we have that green, let's get some Moon in Sagittarius. It's a green color on the third row. And go, I can't see. Go under the lash line with that. That's pretty. Yep, I'm digging that. Okay. And I think that's all I want to do. Alright, I'm going to put some eyeliner on. I think I'm going to go with this brown eyeliner, which is Gold Digger. And that's Jeffree Star eyeliner. And put some mascara on, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. And that took a second for you guys. About 5 minutes for me. So I did the Gold Digger eyeliner by Jeffree Star. And I used this mascara, which is CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. It's kind of growing on me. And I used the new Shiny Trap, the new formula by Jeffree Star. And this is in Deep Sting. So I like the new formula. I need to wear it a little bit more. I wore another, I think it was Pomeranian Kiss. It's really weird. Like, it dries down, but it stays shiny. It's not as durable, of course, than the liquid lips. Once the liquid lips dry down, they're on there. You can eat dinner, you know, be drinking water all day, and it stays on. This is not quite as durable, but the other day when I went out, I had lunch and I had coffee, and it was still on. And it still maintained its shine. It's just really, really odd how it works. And I have such thin lips, so it's nice. And I'm not really used to wearing such a dark color. But this looks really nice, and I like it with the eye makeup look. So, like I said, this was the Scorpio palette. And I like the way it came out. Very wearable. I hope you guys enjoyed this. So, a little Monday fun. And let me think. We have Brewed Beauty's collab coming up on Wednesday, which will be the last video for that collab. I think Alex has decided not to continue on with that collab and doing something else. She has some other things going on. So, don't worry. Well, I'll still be posting at least once or twice a week. And for this month, coming up in December, I am going to attempt to do Vlogmas and not skip any days as long as, nothing crazy happens. So with that being said, you have a great day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.